What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video, and right now I have the 2020 Toyota Supra with the FI exhaust installed. So for this video we are going to be doing a quick walk around of the exterior, interior, do a couple of drive-bys, see how it sounds on the road, and mostly just have fun with the car. So let's go!
There are few cars that generate much anticipation and hype. After a long hiatus of almost 20 years, the Supra is back. See, the nameplate garnered car enthusiasts back in the day when it was the star of the show in the first Fast and the Furious film. Add to that, it was Japan's prime era of sports cars with the likes of the Honda NSX, Mazda RX-7, and Nissan Skyline GT-R. So the A90 Supra has big shoes to fill. Did Toyota get it right? Let's see what we got. For car enthusiasts, it won't be a surprise that the A90 Supra is based on the G29 BMW Z4. In return, the two have similar dimensions and wheelbase. Exterior-wise, however, is every bit of Toyota's DNA. There's an aggressive front fascia that look exotic in the right angles, the headlamps are slim, and the LED housing harken back to the A80's round design. Sumptuous curves envelop the body, creating a sensuous and dynamic effect, which draws inspiration from Toyota's FT1 concept. The Supra rides on 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires, with the rear wheels wider than on the front to enhance grip. The sweet spot for the design profile of the Supra has got to be its rear end. It is here where all those lines meet and the voluptuous flanks taper off. The rear boot lid is swept back, creating an integrated spoiler. Have your cameras ready and get used to this view when it passes you on the road. There are little touches too, from the F1 style rear fog and reverse lights, the double bubble roof, to the S and Supra replicating a turn in the Nürburgring. Overall, the Supra has a distinct Japanese essence, and it also doesn't look like anything in the road today. The interior is where things are toned down. It's a different world when compared to its outrageous exterior. The dashboard has a generic layout topped with a floating tablet-style infotainment system. Remember, the A90 Supra is based off the G29 Z4, and it is much more evident here. For Toyota to save costs, the switchgear decorated about the cabin are all sourced from BMW. From the window switches, door handles, even the steering wheel and gear knob, to name a few. The infotainment system is BMW's iDrive, which means controlling the radio, vehicle functions, and whatnot are easy to command. Apple CarPlay connectivity is available wirelessly. Also available is a 12-speaker JBL Hi-Fi surround sound system. The instrument panel is digital, but the rev counter has its numbers displayed on a plastic dial. This eliminates space, meaning information is limited, unlike with most digital systems. Passenger count is strictly for 2, but there's enough room for occupants to find a comfortable seating position. Storage spaces are thoughtfully laid out, and there are even 2 cup holders. Soft touch materials abound the cabin, while everything feels solid and sturdy, quality you'd expect from either Toyota or BMW. Trunk capacity is rated at 290 liters, plus it's actually a hatchback, which makes loading things easier. The hatch is also made of light composite material to reduce its center of gravity. Under the aluminum clamshell hood of the Mark V Supra rests a BMW-sourced 3-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine generating 335 horsepower and 495 Nm of torque. The Supra feels and drives like a true sports car. Engine response is further enhanced thanks to the variable intake valve lift system that adjusts intake valve timing and duration. Off the line, torque comes on strong from low RPMs. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers quick up and down shifts and features paddle shifters for manual control when desired. Short ratios for the lower gears and a launch control function enable powerful acceleration with maximum traction. Toyota estimates 0 to 60 acceleration in 4.1 seconds. The 2020 Toyota Supra will offer two driving modes, Normal and Sport. Sport mode provides track driving capability by reducing intervention of the traction and stability control functions, as well as sharpening throttle response, increasing steering weight, improving transmission shifts, and amplifying the exhaust sound. The Supra that's featured in this video is fitted with FI Valvetronic exhaust. It is quiet in comfort mode, but once it's in sport mode, the valves open up and the result is astonishing. The system surely amps up the Supra's character, and if you want to cop these, I'll provide a link in the description down below. The Supra will have an active differential that can control torque distribution between the rear wheels when cornering under both acceleration and braking, enabling greater momentum through a corner. The system is also effective at ensuring neutral handling by reducing both understeer and oversteer. Toyota Gazoo Racing had a specific vision when developing the Supra. High structural rigidity, a low center of gravity, and 50-50 weight distribution were paramount to Toyota's goal of achieving neutral cornering balance. Great speed comes great braking, and the Supra delivers with its 4-piston Brembo brakes. Further enhancing the driving experience, the multifunction steering wheel is heavily bolstered, while the bucket seats help you keep in place. Gripes include limited visibility with its small windows and the absence of a grab handle, but I'd be nitpicking already. Along with its German cousin, the Mark V Supra will be assembled in the Magna-Steyr plant in Graz, Austria. Available safety features include 8 airbags, lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation, front and rear parking sensors and pedestrian detection, and speed limit sign recognition. While there are mixed opinions surrounding this Mark V Supra, there's no doubt that it's a capable, fun-to-drive sports car. Besides, partnering with BMW isn't something to gripe about as they are the ultimate driving machine. Competitors include the BMW Z4 and M2 Competition, Jaguar F-Type, and the Porsche Cayman. Pricing for the Mark V Supra here in the Philippines is 4.9 million pesos, which definitely undercuts the competition with what you get. Whichever way you look at it, let's be grateful that the Supra is back.
Alright guys, that was a quick walk around and quick drive with the all-new Toyota Supra. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow my socials, which I'll link in the description down below. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.